Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Learn English with Us podcast, your go-to place for improving your English skills in a fun and simple way. I'm Anna, and today we're diving into 10 super useful English phrases that you can start using today. If you're tired of sounding too formal or robotic when you speak English, this episode is just for you. What's up? A casual way to say how are you? You'll hear this all the time. Example, hey John, what's up? Not much, just chillin'. I'm in. It means you agree to join or take part in something. Example, we're going out for coffee. You in? Yeah, I'm in.
No worries. It means don't worry about it or it's okay. Example, sorry I'm late. No worries. I'm good, thanks. Use this when someone offers you something but you don't want it. Example, do you want more coffee? I'm good, thanks. That's awesome. A fun way to say something is really good or exciting. Example, I passed my test. That's awesome. You got this. Use this to encourage someone. I'm nervous about the interview. You got this. I'm on it. It means I'm taking care of it or I'll do it now. Example, can you send the email? I'm on it.
Hang on. A casual way to say, wait a moment. Example, hang on, I'll be right back. I'm beat. This means I'm very tired. Example, long day at work? Yeah, I'm beat. Fingers crossed. We use this to hope for good luck. Example, I have a job interview today. Fingers crossed. And that's it for today. Which phrase did you like the most? Let us know in the comments or send us a message on Instagram at @LearnEnglishWithUs. Thanks for listening, and remember, learning English is a journey, and you're doing great. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. See you next time!